What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, and subscribers? Welcome back. I know you guys are loving this content on a consistent daily basis, Trappy.
Word.
They love it.
Persistence.
Consistency and persistent. We are not slowing down, ladies and gentlemen. We are not slowing down. As a matter of fact, we're in the left lane.
It's a fact.
That's a fact. We're not slowing down. Headed over to Tri-State. We're going to the new facility. We're going to give you a nice little tour of it, that it's set up now. We're going to pick up some cool parts for the RXK. We're going to pick up some stuff for the AK-47 too, Trap.
You know what? The EM1 too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the EM1 too. Yeah, we're going to pick up some stuff for Trappy's SI. Real quick, I know this is going to be a long intro, but it's worth it. We get a lot of people on Instagram asking me, Aki, what's up with this countdown? What is Gunner Day? Gunner Day is our birthday. Oh, get him, Chop. No, get him. Get him.
He's cooking.
Who's
he getting?
Easy getting. Not us. Oh, he opened this window. He's chilling there.
Yo, you seen me go into?
You see
me go into panic?
Yo, you shaking.
Trap. I put the camera down.
I say get him. Man, we'll talk about Gunner Day in a few, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi. How many bad bitches you think on that Spirit flight right there? There's got to be at least 15 of them. 18 Louis bags. 14 weaves.
I didn't hear anything you said.
I was talking about the Spirit airline. How many bad bitches you think is in there?
Trap, that is the worst airline in the world. Don't ever fly out of Spirit, guys.
Yo, I got flown out to work. I got flown out to work in Texas through Spirit. Came back on American Airline. It was the worst.
We went to Chicago to do a pizza tour on Spirit. Desiree booked, she was being conservative. She booked the cheapest flight for all of us. On the way back home, we circled JFK for 2 hours at the point to where your ears are about to pop.
Oh, man.
For 2 hours waiting to land at a gate. And I vowed from that day, I'm never, not even for free, forever, I will never fly out of that trap.
I'm gonna make this quick. The reason why I flew back in American Airline, I got back on my trip home on Spirit, right, Trap? I fell asleep because I didn't sleep. It was like a 5 a.m. flight. I wake up at 7. We never left the gate. They announce, we having an issue with the door. It's not closing. It needs a sensor. All right, bet. It needs a sensor or whatever. We need half an hour. We get back in.
I would have got off.
No. We get off, get back in. Yeah, my bad. The sensor's bad again. I'm going to send someone to Orlando to get it. I was in Bradenton. They said, we're going to drive somebody to Orlando to pick up the part like if that was a Civic. I said, nah, I'm good. I'm leaving.
That's when you left. Yeah, I'm about to say, that's a recipe for a disaster right there. Did everybody make it home?
Yo, Trap, it was a disaster.
Nah. Woke up this morning. Got yourself a gun. This remind you of Sopranos? Woke up this morning. Got yourself a gun. We're here, guys. We are here. I believe they're going to start working at, so this is 371 Jacques Avenue. This will be the new location, the Tri-State Motorsports. We're going to talk more, sorry about the wind. We're going to talk more about the grand opening soon. We're going to have a huge party. Give away a ton of things, just bring a lot of awareness to the new location. But ultimately, wait for Trappy. Ultimately, this will be like the showroom here. We'll try to get a car in here. I know that they made the doors accessible. I don't know if it's this door. We can't fit a car through here, Trap.
Yeah.
We can? 100%. Oh yeah, we can. We'll get a car in here, but it's coming along, man. It's coming along. The old location's all closed up. We're not there no more. I think they invested into an injector cleaning machine. They'll be offering that service here soon.
Like that.
Yeah, very nice. and then so on and so forth. But for right now, they're operating out of the back. These will be different offices. They're operating out of the back here. See? Yeah, the wheels are going here. And oh man, guys, this place is huge. This place is huge. We have gathered up some parts. We'll show you.
Mad hose. Mad hose.
Yeah, we got mad hose here. Mad hose. Everything.
Yo, Chad, name a better store. Name a better store.
On God, nobody. Not because we mess with.
Nah.
Yo, Blocks is over here.
Seriously though, like, look at inventory to the ceiling, bro. Come on, like.
Yeah, we're trying to keep a lot more in stock too. We're working on it, but there's a lot of great deals here. If you guys want to come in store, you speak to Danny, Shishka, Bobby. They'll tighten you up. You tell them you're a gunner, whatever the case may be. Let me show you what we got, guys. First and foremost, we got our top mount. Almost dropped it. Almost dropped the top mount. So top mount, Trappy, hold that for a second. Show me. Can't wait to see the fitment on it.
PLM top
So
mount.
PLM top mount, T3. We got it for fitment purposes. We're gonna make a ton of power on it.
Test drove one of those 44s on.
No, I already got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already got it. We're gonna put a black 44 on there. Nice.
Test drive.
That's gonna be
I
nice.
like it being top mounted.
Yeah,
The wastegate.
that's really nice. If we do have to move it, which I don't think so.
Why, you going to the bottom with it? Nah, we gotta go up top. They gotta see some flames, Trevor.
No, that.
We owe them those flames.
No, you're right. Got a fuel regulator. That's for RXK. Picked up a black 44 gate. This battery is for the AK-47. I know that battery is going to be dead, so I picked up another 16 volt. I'm on my third one. These batteries are awful. These batteries are awful. Set of Skunk Ultra 1s for Project Driver. We've got some good news coming up soon. Get that right now. Just drop shipped some other things. Trappy, EM1. Picked up some headlights for the EM1. He's going to do a quick disconnect on the steering wheel. Got a battery tie down, some True Heart coilovers. It's basically what he's going with. And we're just shopping around now. We're just going to make sure we gather everything and not make a mistake. Right, Trappy?
Word.
You're a disrespectful dude wearing that hoodie in here, too. All right, guys, we swapped out that wastegate. We were going to run the tile one, but it's just way too bulky. So we went with a 45 millimeter Turbo Smart, and we'll show you at the garage on how it's going to look. It moves far away from this flange is what we needed. So we swapped out that tile to a Turbo Smart. We're pretty much close to being done here, but I can't wait to go to Stewarts. That place is fire.
You ain't lying. I'm about to go there in a few minutes.
Yes, sir. Hey guys, remember that last clip I said, let's go to Stewart's? I told Trap, look, a gunner just sent money for lunch.
Nice.
That's our boy Waffle.
Oh,
The one that came with us. Look at that. Yeah. My boy. Thank you, man. You just bought us lunch. You didn't even know it. We're also in preparation. This is we're planning for the future. K-Tuned is closing down for what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2
They got to
weeks.
get their stuff together.
They're moving.
All right, so
they're moving location, so they're gonna be closed for about 2 weeks.
All right. We might as well grab this 90 mil gem with IAC now for PD, and I think we're not gonna be able to use that street one, Trap. We're gonna have to get an ultra so we can make some real good power out of it.
I think ultra and
Like a 1 liter.
Spacer.
Well, might not even need it. So I don't know. We'll see if we can put together an ultra from here, but we might as well just be prepared for when it's time to do those upgrades.
I think we're really bored out here, and we're just looking for things now.
We're
just digging.
We need to get out of here.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get out of here.
They're at Stewart's. Oh man, this place is great. We tried this food. Look at that. They bring it right to your window. You hang it right on the window and eat from right there. Look at that. Squad eating good. Stewart's right next to Tri-State. So Tri-State's right there. Stewart's is right here. You come to your window, you order up. Food is really good. Last time I was here, my boy Tim Scott, the gunner from Mass.
The technician, my boy.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
He got me a Philly cheesesteak with some cheese fries. It was awesome. I'm gonna try something new on the menu today. This is Trappy's first go.
Yeah,
I'm
gonna get spontaneous
By the way,
with it. Yeah, we got parts. For starters, I looked at the Mac Attack Trap.
Sounds great.
Hamburger with a slice of melted American cheese over 2 mac and cheese bites to fulfill your cheesy cravings.
Yeah, no, they're little mac and cheese bites. I've seen
that
that.
sounds good.
Yeah, they do.
Nah, I'm not gonna. I didn't wear my cape today. I'm going cheddar cheeseburger.
Cheddar cheeseburger.
Yeah,
You gonna wash that down with a milkshake too?
No, I'm going Coke float. Glass front, Trap. Glass front equals good beverages.
Absolutely.
Every time.
Absolutely. Transparency.
Yeah.
Never lied to no one. Stay in your car.
You see my float? You see my float?
Look at it coming out. Yeah, buddy. Hold on, let me not get her face. I don't got you in it, don't worry. Which way do I put it? Here?
Yep.
Awesome.
Goes right there.
My
Then
girl.
I'll hold it,
Oh,
and then
there
I'll
it
hand
is.
it into you.
You're off the float.
Yeah, yeah.
Cabrón, aire.
Eche aire! Eche aire! Cabrón. Oh, this look like a big doo-doo. Big doo-doo coming up,
Oh, that's me,
boys.
cheddar cheese.
That's
me.
cheddar, yeah.
me.
I went California regular. All right, boys. All right, we are back in the garage. Oh my God, it's freezing outside, boys and girls. All right, really nervous about this. I'm hoping this manifold is gonna fit in that engine bay the way that it's planted in my cylinder head. In my cylinder head, I hope it's planted the way that I'm thinking it's gonna look. We're gonna bring this car down. We're gonna check some fitment. Ready, Trap? Let's see how this goes. Oh God, please fit.
I don't know. It's narrow. It's narrow.
T3 top mount.
Oof.
That looks. Hold on, let me get a light real quick. Hold on. 'Cause that doesn't look promising from what I see.
It definitely doesn't.
Go ahead. Nah. No.
No, Trap.
That's not gonna work.
for us. Damn. I tell you what. It sounded like a great idea on paper.
Yeah, it did.
Get the one that's already made. We don't gotta wait. I don't know, Trap. Are we gonna have to get stuck with a custom one?
What I'm thinking, Trappy, honestly, is we're gonna need to do like a side mount facing this way.
Like a
Yeah.
sidewinder.
Yeah,
but
like a sidewinder facing this way.
I was just hoping we could use like off the shelf products. So it could be
Yeah, I
like,
really don't want to wait on anyone, man. But we're gonna have to try to contact someone.
This was a good.
Yeah, if anyone needs this manifold, whatever it cost me today, just reach out in my DM. But doesn't fit in this car. I don't want to return it because I may tri-state order it. So if anyone needs a top mount T3,
T3 44 millimeter
40 film,
top
44
PLM, right?
Yeah, PLM. Yep. Damn, that was gonna look good though.
That-
You know what? Just leave it there for now.
Yeah, work. For aesthetics.
Let's feel good for a second here. Damn it, man. Let's talk about GunnerDay. Okay, so what's this countdown about on the Instagram? Why do we keep talking about December 15th? December 15th is the last time I raced the AK-47. My last race, my retirement race, was in Las Vegas. So we decided through one day we were chilling on live and we said we have to come up with our own anniversary, our own day. December 15th until the end of time will always be GunnerDay. So you guys notice you haven't seen the AK-47 in about a year. You notice that we also bought a battery today because we're going to go actually pick it up because it's been at my boy's house. He's been storing it for me. He has no problems. I've been paying him every 6 months. Doesn't even know what an oil cap is, which is awesome. So it's not like he can take parts off of it. We'll bring the AK-47 here in a couple of days. We'll get it all geared up and ready for just, presenting it back to the world. And with that, we're going to have like this crazy sale on keepgunning.com. Everything will be 47% off. My stuff doesn't need to go on sale. And I'm saying this with the most humble intentions ever. Everything on Keep Gunning sells out. This is made for us gunners. If you're watching right now, you know we've made that connection, that love. This is made for us to celebrate. So for 24 hours, December 15th, keepgunning.com, everything. Retro drops, which we'll be previewing on Instagram. New drops will be 47% off. Whatever's on the website, I don't suggest you buy anything right now, guys. Just wait 13 more days and you'll be able to get whatever you like and it's in stock 47% off. I don't care if I lose money. This is our day to celebrate. We'll try to invite 47 people here the following Saturday. I'll get some food catered. The AK-47 will be here. Everyone can take photos. You can sit inside of it. You can turn it on. You can do whatever you want. So that's what Gunner Day is. That is what this whole big hype on the countdown is. It's our day, our loyalty day. And that's it. I think I want to sign off, Trap. We failed on the Manifold.
Miserably. It was a great idea on paper. Now we gotta put liquid paper on the beat.
Yeah. I don't know, man. We're going to have to come up with a whole new game plan because our turbo will be here next week too. But I'm happy that we're gathering parts now also. But yeah, you know what? I had fun during this vlog. I know Trappy sure as hell did. I know Tri-State Motorsports sure as hell did. And I know you guys did. Don't forget to leave a positive comment. It means a lot to us. Like, comment, and subscribe.